Wesley Virgin.
Wesley
Million Dollar Virgin.
You are awakened once you are doing what he's telling you.
And that was the best decision I made in my life.
I learned so many things about the mind. I learned so many things about how easy it is to make money. And now that I see these things happening in my life, it's an amazing process that you go through.
Shut up, your ego, and listen to him.
Millionaire Mind Hacks here. Check this out here, guys. This is my new M4 here. I just purchased it here. Just know that believe in yourself. Follow the system. It's proven. I just closed on a beautiful real estate deal here. We sold it. Made a nice profit. Obviously, got out here and got something that I always wanted for myself. Of course, we're still buying more houses and more investing, but guess what? He said that by applying the things that are in there, everything that's inside here can become. Okay, I didn't even think that this would happen for me this year, but guess what? It happened.
Overnight millionaire.
Overnight millionaire.
Overnight millionaire.
Wesley Million Dollar Virgin.
The only reason why you're quitting is because you're thinking about the day-to-day shit. That's what your mind is consumed with, and it discourages you. It's not because you're a bad person. It doesn't matter because your mom and your daddy was in your life. For you to perfect areas in your life, you must have the vision of what the end goal looks like. That's how you continue to do a thing. That's how you don't quit. Whatever you're doing, you must see the vision of what you want to receive from what you're doing. If you want to be Instagram famous, you have to see yourself as Instagram famous now. What does that look like? How many followers? How many people are loving your stuff? What type of value are you giving them? If you want an internet business that's very successful, I don't care what you're selling. You gotta say, well, I'm selling thousands of this product every day. Thousands a day. I gotta feel it's promoting myself around the world. That's what you gotta think about. Not the day-to-day shit. The only reason why you're giving up is because you don't have a clear vision of the future. Listen, this is probably gonna be the best piece of advice that you can get. The only reason why you or most people want all these different plans, you want all these different ideas and different businesses, because you want a guarantee of success. You just want to make sure that you don't fail. I met this one young man. He sent me a message, and I think he's in the network marketing industry, okay? He's trying to sell something in the network marketing industry. And then I look on his Facebook page, and he's talking about photography. What? So I'm thinking in my mind, because I'm already rich, I'm thinking, how is this young man is going to be the best network marketer on the planet that's going to reap millions of dollars, which only 1% of people do, if he's spending his time and focus in two different things? If you're trying to do more than one thing, if you have plan A, B, C, and D, B, C, and D distracts from the original plan. Stay on the track. Keep running. I know it hurts. I know you're feeling cramps. I know it feels like your body has nothing else. But at that time, at that moment, your mind must kick in, baby. Your mind's gotta say, get your goddamn, get off! I do it all the time. When I'm working out, I remember I'm pumping the iron, right? Huh, huh. You know, getting these guns, right? Huh, huh. And it's hurting so bad, I want a tear want to come out my, I say, get your goddamn up, Wesley. Get the fuck up. Get up! I talk to myself like that. I'm sitting down, I'm tired, I'm sweating. Get up! Get up! What I'm telling you is, keep running. Stay on the track. If you leave the track and you go do something else, that's going to open up the gap. It's going to take longer for you to succeed, man. Young lady, it's going to take you longer that way. I promise you. If you leave the track and you go do something else, you're not building the muscle, you're not building the skill that you need to go to the place where you want.
What is being successful? What is that going to do for you? Somebody said time and freedom. First of all, you have time. Everybody got 24 hours. I got 24 hours. So it has nothing to do with success about time. Freedom, unless you're in somebody's prison right now, if you're not locked up, you're already free. Given the opportunity to help the world. You can help the world right now with nothing. Gandhi did it. Mother Teresa did it. So I'm sure you can do it right now. What would it do for you if you have the homes? What would it do for you if you are able to take care of your parents? What would it do for you if you can get up whenever the hell you want to get up? What would it do for you if you have a business making millions of dollars for a year? What would you do for you if you're able to vacation every single month all around the world? To be a successful man or woman, you have to start thinking. You have to ask yourself, well, if I want to be successful, what would that do for me once I am successful? And this kind of gauges you so it would confirm if you're truly going to be a very successful man or woman in the future.